Hello, YouTube. You know what time it is. You know what time it is. It is time for our first quiz. I hope you guys saw the last week's video. If you haven't, go check it out before you watch this one because, I introduced to you guys what faults are and stuff like that. So today is going to be the quiz. So, I hope you guys learned something. And if you don't get them all right, it's all good. That's what we're here for, to learn. So yeah, enjoy this. Make sure to follow me on TikTok, on Twitter, and Instagram, earthquake_dude. And yeah, let's get started on this quiz. Good luck. Let's do it. All right. First one. So here we have our fault block, okay? You can see this one shifted horizontally that way. So I'm gonna give you a second, or you can pause the video if you need a second to think about it. The correct answer is right lateral strike slip fault, so kudos if you got it, but we gotta move on to the next one. What type of fault is this? Here you can see this wall went up in the vertical direction. Reverse or thrust fault? If you said that, you are correct. Very good. Let's move on to the next one. What kind of fault do we have here? Here you can see we have a little fence that's been offset, just boop. But what direction did it move? And what kind of fault is that? Very similar to the one we saw. If you guessed right lateral strike slip fault, you are correct, right? The fence moved to the right. So far so good, I hope. Okay, how about this one? Another horizontal moving fault. You can see the fault moved, but the opposite way. If you said left lateral strike slip fault, you are correct. Very good. Very good. So far, so good. All right, we have another one. Here you can see the block, the hanging wall went down. Another vertical moving fault. What kind of fault is it? If you said normal fault, you are correct. Very good. All right, next one. We got a little dirt road from the 1992 Landers earthquake. You can see that dirt road goes like this, and then suddenly, whoop, like that. If you said right lateral, you are absolutely correct. It shifted to the right. Awesome. How about this one? The key here is look at the layers. Look at the layers. Boop. Boop. Okay, give you a second. Pause again if you would need an extra second or so. If you said normal faults, you are correct. You see how the hanging wall went down. Therefore, it's a normal fault. And you have two conjugate normal faults. So these are both normal faults. Awesome. How about this one? Little concrete action here. Sidewalk action. You ever play that game where you're walking on the sidewalk and then you're like, whoa, I'm gonna move this way. And if you guessed right lateral strike slip fault, you are correct. Very good. And that's it. And the quiz number 1. How did you guys do? Did you go 8 for 8? Did you go 5 for 8? Let me know in the comments. How well did you do? And I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope you learned how to recognize and distinguish faults. We'll probably do another one a little bit more difficult, throwing maybe some oblique faults in there next time. But the purpose of this one was for you guys to kind of get started, and hopefully you learned something. So please drop a like if you like this video. Let me know in the comments how many you got wrong, how many you got correct, which is your favorite fault. And don't forget to subscribe to see more quizzes like this. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week for another lesson.